So I'm Joao Guimaraes da Costa. I'm a professor at Harvard University, and I work as a convener of the Standard Model group at Atlas. So I represent the people that mostly study the backgrounds and for the Higgs boson searches. So the Higgs boson has been one of the most interesting regions is the low mass region, and there we have lots of backgrounds. So the searches, the main channels currently are the Higgs to WW, where you have two leptons and two neutrinos. There's the Higgs to gamma gamma. So those are two photons, and then you have a very simple channel, which is a Higgs to two Z's, and where they usually go into four leptons. So this one has very little backgrounds, but the ones where you have two photons or the two W's, those have very large backgrounds. So what we have to do is to measure these channels, the same signatures in the Standard Model, and then only when we understand that, we can believe that they actually found the Higgs. Well, so the result we have so far, although quite interesting, quite compelling, is still not that significant. So we do have to take some more data. I would assume that if the Higgs is at a low mass where it is right now, we probably will require the 2012 data to make sure that it is the Higgs. What we want to see is that the Higgs shows up in the different channels, and it shows up at the rates that we expect from each one of the channels. And it's quite tantalizing that at this point it's showing up already on 3 different channels in Atlas. And so if the Higgs is actually at around 126 GeV, then it's possible that this is the actual signal. Now it's really very exciting. So this is one of cornerstone of all the Standard Model. So we do need something like the Higgs mechanism to be able to make the Standard Model work. So being part of this is quite exciting. We really hope that this will bring lots of young people interested in particle physics, for instance.